We all tend to procrastinate about some things in our lives, especially if the task is onerous or boring, be it a report we need to complete for work, an assignment we need to submit, or a do-it-yourself project our spouse wants us to finish. For procrastinators, the present is disproportionately more important than the future. Many people understand that exercising, seeing a dentist for a regular checkup, eating healthy, not smoking, and not drinking too much is good for them. However, if they are present biased, the cost of such actions, which are immediate, appear larger than the benefits that are delayed. Therefore, it seems like a good idea to postpone the task until tomorrow when it appears that the cost will be lower. However, tomorrow eventually becomes today, and procrastinators are faced with the same problem of wanting to complete the task, but not wanting to do it now. And so naive procrastinators postpone again, and again, and again, until they forget or miss the deadline. Sophisticated procrastinators recognize that they have a self-control problem and take action. Some complete the task early to reap the benefits right away. Others set reminders to complete the task at the deadline or at a time when they know they're not going to be busy and therefore when their opportunity cost of time is low. Some people employ commitment devices that alter behavior, such as self-imposed deadlines or rewarding themselves conditional on success and imposing a cost for not completing the task. How do you combat procrastination?